I was asked a question, how to export data type like structures and all of its members. So I thought I would go through that with you real quick. So the first thing you do is go to data types and then just highlight the ones that you want. So I'm going to highlight, I'll just highlight, I've got 3 in there, I'll highlight all 3. And then you simply copy and paste. So we'll right click on those and then we'll do a copy. And then we'll open up our Excel spreadsheet here. And then I'll just go up here and I'll do a paste. And you can see, I'll open these, stretch these out a little bit, and you can see that it actually went ahead and put all the structures and their data types. The actual data, put the structure individual and the members data types in the Excel spreadsheet. So it's a very good way to do that. I mean, it's very simple to record. And when you do this, it's actually possible to paste these in, save these in Excel in this format exactly, and you can paste those back. So it's possible to create all your structures and members in Excel and paste it into Sysmac Studio. So thank you.